Whether you like to prep ahead or you just like a nice, hot, hearty breakfast, these apple pie steel-cut oats are sure to become a new favorite for your family. And they're easy to make in your deluxe multi-cooker. I'll show you how. This is such a delicious and hearty breakfast. Steel-cut oats are different than rolled oats. They're just less processed. So they look kind of coarse, and they cook perfectly in your deluxe multi-cooker. We need a cup today. I've already rinsed these off. I'm just gonna dump it right into the stainless pot. If you're looking for breakfast ideas that are clean and have whole ingredients, this is the perfect thing for you. I've got 2 cups of water, a cup, I'm using an oat milk today. You can use any plant milk. Dairy sometimes will burn, so I'm making this as a non-dairy and gluten-free option. And if you are celiac and you need gluten-free oats, make sure that they have that marking on them. We need a tablespoon of oil. I'm just going to use some coconut oil. That can usually be substituted for vegetable oil in recipes, and you can leave it out if you want to. I have some maple syrup here. 3 tablespoons. If you like it extra sweet, make it a 1/4 cup. I'd rather for it to be not quite so sweet and rely on the sweetness from our apples. So we're gonna add 2 whole apples. I don't peel them for this because I like that extra fiber. So just take your apple wedger and press straight down, lean right into it. You can use any kind of apples that you like. I like to wedge them first before chopping them. It takes the core out and it just makes chopping that much faster. Into little bite-sized pieces. Here they all are with the flexible mats. Makes it easy to just dump everything right in there. I need 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon plus spice blend. This can also be substituted with some pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have that, you can just use cinnamon, but the cinnamon plus makes this truly taste like apple pie. We need 1.5 teaspoons also of the double strength Madagascar pure vanilla extract. Pour that in. And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Skip it if you need to. I'm just gonna give this all a little stir, show you what it looks like. It's real soupy right now. Go ahead and add the lid to the deluxe multi-cooker. And we're gonna use the whole grain setting. So I'm just gonna turn the dial. Once whole grain is blinking, that's where we wanna be. We want it to go for 10 minutes. I'm gonna hold the button in until it starts. And now it's gonna build up pressure. Once the pressure has built up, it'll take 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna do a natural release for 10 more minutes. So natural release means when it's done, I'm not gonna touch it for 10 minutes. It'll do a countdown or a count up, letting me know that that's where it's at. Here's what our oats look like. And it will start to thicken even more as it sits. You can use our prep bowls to portion out what you like. This will stay in the fridge for about 4 days, so you can prepare them ahead of time and package them up. You can even freeze individual portions and thaw overnight to warm up in the morning. So this is really ready to eat just like this, or you can top it with some fresh fruit, maybe a drizzle of milk or a little bit more maple syrup. So I hope you'll give these steel-cut oats a try. They're nutritious, hearty, and they taste so good. Enjoy.